Their mindset is sandblasting. You know, good heavens, you don't want that inside your engine. That is going to destroy that engine, destroy the bearing. And we're trying to tell them that, you know, this is a completely different process. We'll talk about it, and he's like, you know, think about it as water. You know, it's going through, it's washing, it's not staying. And then, you know, he has those pieces in his hand, and he's like, look at it, you know, and he's showing them the carb and the jets.
The really neat part about doing valves, cams, and cranks and so forth is showing the wear. She sent out like 80 brochures.
Before we even had your machine.
Before the machine came. Weeks
we
before the machine.
knew what this was going to do.
Mike McGarrow, now he's our #1 customer. It's amazing how much he enjoys this process. He's like, where's it all been? I told him, I said, you take a typical valve, what do? Wire wheel it, blast it. Now, you don't know what kind of wear was on that. I said, let me shoot some of these cams and these valves for you. And when I brought him, he's like, oh my God. He said, no, I can't use this valve because I would have never found that.
Right.
I can't use that. These cams, he's like, now I can see right where the roller ran on that. So I said, that's the important part of that. That's what I'm trying to get to these guys that rebuild.